Well, we're here on a job where we have come together as a community of installers. From ourselves at DMH Electrical and Renewables, Michael from East Renewables, some of the boys from Oval Renewables, and then Mark and Matty from Powersonic, supported by the absolute fantastic manufacturers that we stand by on a daily, installing on your homes or businesses, from the likes of Longi, Panels, Van der Valk, roof mounting, and then our scaffolders also have come together on this project, where we have helped an elderly gentleman with his terminally ill wife get solar panels on his roof. And what has the community done? We've done the entire job for free. Sometimes this industry has given me so much, and it was always times, at least once a year, that we stand together as a community of solar installers and importantly manufacturers and support the wider people who need our help in times of need. And that is what we've done today. So enjoy the B-roll, look at the fantastic install, and as always, if you would like to have it installed by DMH Electrical and Renewables, head down into that link in the description, fill out the contact form, and I can take you on your own renewable journey.
Hi, I'm Sarah Wallace. I'm the UK and Ireland Sales Director for Longi Solar. As a global manufacturer, everyone just assumes you're in it to make, huge amounts of money, but when it comes down to the local community and businesses here in the UK, it's always really important for us to be giving something back. So yeah, when I spoke to the guys at DMH and Mike at East, there was no reason why we wouldn't be involved as a global manufacturer to ensure that this couple have got a really good system and it works really well and it's installed perfectly. So today these guys are installing the Longi 490 HJBB module, which is the most premium rear back contact solar module on the market as it stands, currently sat at the 490. Yeah, as you'll see up there, really good bit of kit. Aesthetically really good, and obviously with the rear back contact, it absorbs more light through the module, therefore you get higher yield, better performance and increased efficiency. But these bad boys are 30/30 warranty as well, so this couple have got reassurance that their product has got the warranty that will stack up. Pride themselves on our product, it's the technology within the product, so we firmly believe that the rear back contact is the way to go within the market. It increases the performance of the module, the efficiency of the module. Longi being a global manufacturer, probably sat in the top 3 globally, so it's just really important for us that people have good quality product.
Well, that is the end of this month's, hopefully there'll be one another time later on this year, community projects. Firstly, I want to say a thank you to everybody stood here with me. Mark and Matty from Powersonic, Paddy and Josh from Oval Renewables, the legend in the hat that is Mike from East Renewables, Sarah from Longi, Adam, who is behind the camera for coming down from HubSpoke Media, and then obviously Bailey and Jay from DMH.
Last but not least.
Without these guys, we wouldn't have achieved this today. So thank you, firstly to all of you guys, and then obviously thank you to Longi and Phil from Van der Valk that can't be with us today. Really, about today was all about just paying it forward. These guys haven't got paid for today. We haven't got paid for today. But what we've done is we've come together as a community of installers and we've done the right thing for a gentleman and his wife in his time of need. Links to all of these companies will be down below. If you're in the area of any of them, firstly reach out to DMH Electrical and Renewables, but I can recommend all of these as installers and more importantly, friends.